Good afternoon, children. How are you? Hope that you are in good condition. Welcome to our Math 5 class. We are now in the third quarter, week 1, day 1, with the objective visualizes percent and its relationship to fractions using models. I am your teacher for this afternoon, Mr. Jesus G. De Los Reyes from Kalayaan Elementary School. Keep yourself healthy as we go over with the lessons in the third quarter. Are you ready? Come on! This afternoon, you will learn the lesson 1, which is about visualizing percent and its relationship to fractions using models. But before we proceed with our lesson, let us first define percent. Anyone who knows what percent is? Any volunteer? So when we say percent, it is derived from the Latin words percentum, meaning per hundred or by the hundred. This is the symbol used for percent as you can see on the screen. And percent can be expressed as a fraction whose denominator is 100 or a fraction in simplest form or in the lowest term. These are some of the examples of percent that we usually see in some of the reading materials like brochures and catalogs, or in banners and tarpaulins found in buildings and malls. We have 25%, 10%, and many more. How about you? Have you seen these ads? Where? What does it mean? Okay, very good. Thank you for sharing. Fasten your seatbelt. The tour about the lesson will start now. Study the illustration. Who do you see in the pictures? Very good. Where do you think are they going? Very good. Do you miss going to school? Why? Okay, very good. Some of you said that you wanted to see each other again. You also miss your teachers. Very good. Let us just hope and pray that the vaccine for all of us will be available soon so we can meet each other again face to face. Anyway, even if you are just staying at home, you will still learn a lot from your teachers and will be provided with more learning resources. Okay? Let us look at the picture again. Okay? So how many boys are there? Very good. There are 43 boys. What about the number of girls? How many are they? Very good. There are 57 girls. So what is the total number of boys and girls? Yes? Very good. There is a total of 100. Okay. What is the fractional part of the boys? Okay, very good. It is 43 over 100. Okay? Fractions can also be written in percent. What is percent again? Okay, it means per hundred or per centum. Okay, so we can write the percent of the boys as 43 and affix the percent sign. So we can write it as 43%. You can also read it as 43 out of 100. Is it clear? So what about the fractional part of the girls? Very good. It is 57 over 100. So how can you write the number of girls in percent? Very good. So we can say that 57 over 100 in percent is 57 Okay? Let us have another example. Study the illustration. This is a grid. Every grid consists of 100 small squares. How many grids was used? Very good. There are 2 grids. How many small squares are shaded? Very good. Have you counted the number of shaded regions? There are 153 shaded small squares. Okay. So what is the fractional part of the shaded regions? How will you write the shaded regions in fraction form? Very good. There were some who have answered 153 over 200. There were also some who answered 153 over 100. And there are also some who answered 1 and 53 over 100. Okay, so you can write the shaded regions in fraction form as 153 over 100. Okay? Or you can also write it as 1 and 53 over 100. Okay? Just like adding fractions, we only add the numerators and just copy the common denominators. That is why we cannot write the fractional part as 153 over 200. Is it clear? Okay. So how will you write the fractional part in percent? Okay, very good. It is written as 153%. Okay, very good. Okay, show 50%. Did you have the same illustration as this? Or was there another one? Let me see. Okay, so what is the fractional part of the shaded regions? Very good. It is 50 over 100. So how will you write the fractional part in lowest term? What is the largest number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator? Yes, it's 50. So 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. So in lowest term or in simplest form, the shaded regions is the same as 1/2. Okay? Can you show 50% without using a grid? How? Let me see. Okay, anyone who can show his answer or her answer? Okay. Do you have the same illustration as this? Or is there any other illustrations? Very good. Can you illustrate 75%? Okay. Do you have the same illustration as I have on the screen? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what is the fractional part of the shaded regions? Very good. It is 75 over 100. Okay, now write the fractional part in lowest term. From 75 over 100, what number can divide exactly the numerator and the denominator? Yes, it's good. It is 25. Now, let's divide. 75 divided by 25 is equal to 3. And 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4. So 75 over 100 in lowest term is equal to 3/4. Okay? Now, show 75% in another way. Draw 2/5. Okay, can I see what you have drawn? Very good, well illustrated. Do you have the same as what I have on the screen? Okay. So, what is 2/5 in percent? Okay, now, first, look for a number that when you multiply to the denominator, you will get a product of 100. Then, use the same number and multiply it to the numerator. What number have you seen? Very good. It's 20. So, multiply it now. 2 times 20 is equal to 40. And 5 times 20 is equal to 100. So, 2/5 is equal to 40 over 100. So, how will you write 2/5 in percent? Yes, 2/5 in percent is 40%. Then, you can also draw it like this way. Okay? I hope that the lesson is clear to you now. What is percent then? Very good. It means per 100. Is there a relationship between a fraction and a percent? Yes. How? Okay. Percent can be written as a fraction. What did we use to illustrate percent as a fraction? Very good. We use grid, illustration, or drawing in representing percent as a fraction. Is the lesson clear to you? Very good. Since you have already mastered your lesson for today, you may now go to the different exercises that are found in your module. For those who still wonder on how to answer the exercises, you may refer to the different examples presented in your module. Do not forget to answer them all. Happy working! Again, this is Sir Jesus G. De Los Reyes, waving goodbye, and always remember, make yourself healthy by practicing social distancing and keep ourselves clean all the time.